The grammar of Beki is mean should do something or must do something. So how to use? In Japanese, when you use the Beki da, when you use the verb, you should change the verb to the dictionary form. But the special case, the verb suru, you can use suru beki da or su beki da. For example, 心配するべきだ or you just say 心配するべきだ. So this is the special case, so you have to remember. And for when you use the EHT with Beki, you should cut out the E out of the HT and end by ku aru beki da, something like this. For example, 新しくあるべきだ, something like this. And for the na HT, you not end by na, but you end by de aru. For example, きれいなであるべきだ, something like this. So you have to remember that when you use with the verb, you have a special case for the suru verb. So you can use both suru or su beki. And for the HT, you can end both by aru. For example, the EHT you end by ku aru, and for the na HT you end by de aru beki da. So the meaning, the deep meaning of the Beki that is mean that you should do something or you must do something. Or it should be like this, it should be like that. He should do like this, he should does like this, something like this. So to make more understand, let's go to see some example. 私はそれについてもっと知るべきだ。私はそれについてもっと知るべきだ。Which means I should know more about that. I should know more about that. 約束は守るべきだ。約束は守るべきだ。Which means you should keep your promise. You should keep your promise. 早く帰宅すべきだ。早く帰宅すべきだ。You should go home early. You should go home early. In this case, you can use 早く帰宅するべきだ. Or you just use 早く帰宅すべきだ. You can use the both. Because 帰宅 is the する verb, so you can use both すべき or するべき. An example. 真実を言うべきだ。真実を言うべきだ。You should tell the truth. You should tell the truth.